starts, that turns on the treat, and I'm just doing a little bit of pinching of the fur and skin over his shoulders. The reason I'm doing that is because he needs to have a microchip implanted, and so I'm trying to do some prep work with him for the next day or two to better prepare him for a microchip. Right there. So now is where things start to get more complicated, because I'm going to need 2 hands, and that's where the lickable treats are really helpful if I need 2 hands, as well as a place for him to lick the treats from, because it's going to allow me to feed him and then use both my hands on the puppy. Good boy. So I'm going to set up my little training needle so that it is near my dominant hand. He thinks it's pretty interesting. Yeah. I'm going to start my touch, give my little treat, and then I'm going to practice my little injection while he's doing his licks. I'm going to try and time the stop point for my practice when he has finished up that treat. I gave him a little bit of a bigger blob than I maybe needed to. Okay. Yeah, and then maybe we'll do this direction. Start touching treats, and then while he's working on his treats, I'm practicing my injection behavior. When he's done, I stop. I'm gonna switch sides again. Starting touch, start some treats. While he's practicing, while he's licking, I'm gonna practice. When he's done licking, I'm gonna stop practicing. Nice. He did really well with that. I'm gonna switch to something else. This is a harness that I'll use for him. It's pink because it is from another puppy, but it'll only fit him for a short period of time. I'm just gonna reward him. Good boy. And I'm just doing a tiny bit of luring so that he knows where the food is. I'm gonna show him that it's in my hand. And then I'm gonna show him that it's in the loop. I'm holding the loop nice and still and feeding him for putting his nose, and then I'm gonna take it off. So I'm showing him that I have something, then I'm showing him that it's in the nose loop. Good boy. Good job. Really nice. Good boy. Sometimes taking the harness off is more difficult than putting the harness on. So I'm gonna switch to my lickable treats for that one because they're a little bit higher value, and it's easier for me to keep him stationary with that particular kind of treat.